Hello Stampers, I'm here to tell you about my Thoughtful Blooms card class that is available in April only. And let me tell you, I've got two different ways to do this class. So I've got 5 super cute designs with very fresh feminine colors. And this is all using the Thoughtful Bloom stamp set and the Small Bloom punch. Now this stamp set was available during Celebration. It's no longer available. The punch was also available during Celebration, and it will be in our new annual catalog. Now, my first version of this class includes everything you need to make the 5 cards prepped and ready for you. It includes the stamp set and punch as well. So these are free items in this class. You also get a full roll of this lovely mint macaron ribbon to use on all 5 of your cards, and then many more after that. You get a package of the pearlized doilies that, again, you'll be using on your cards, and then you'll have many more to use. You get a full pack of rhinestones. You get a full pack of these best dressed tassels, super cute and fun to use. I love them because they're nice and flat for mailing. They don't add any additional bulk. You do get a full pack of the Best Dressed Designer Series paper with all these lovely florals, and that's 48 sheets. And then you also get a set of 20 sheets of cardstock. Now these are the 5 colors of card bases that I used, and this is Mint Macaron and Pretty Peacock, Petal Pink, and Lovely Lipstick Purple Posy. You get 4 sheets of each one, so that's 20 sheets of cardstock. You get all of this for $75, and that is shipped to you via priority mail. So it's a really nice kit. The stamp set and the punch are free. Now, if you already have the stamp set and punch, you can get a smaller kit. So let me show you. The first kit is $75, all inclusive, absolutely all inclusive. The only thing that you don't get with this is ink pads. So you would have to have a couple of ink pads to go with this to make them exactly as designed. So my other version has all 5 of the cards kits ready to go. You would also get the rhinestones and the tassels and the doilies. Now this kit is $35, and you get all these nice embellishments to use on your cards, and prepped and ready to go. Envelopes included. Your PDF tutorial for both of these kits are included. You can also get just the PDF tutorial for $12. So I've got 3 different ways that you can take my Thoughtful Blooms card class. Super cute, super fun. Again, the punch will be in our annual catalog, so I hope that you will sign up for my class. The classes with the free stamp set and the free punch are while supplies last. And the other kit, the mini kit, is available through the 11th of April, and everything will be shipped out on the 17th of April. So thank you so much for your consideration. I think this is a fun class, and hope that you will decide to take one of the versions. Thanks so much, and God bless.